أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start Surah Al-Ghashiya Makkiyah. Before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so kindly subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. So now we start. Surah Al-Ghashiyah Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. هل أتاك حديث الغاشية حديث الغاشية هل أتاك. This ta we learn due to standing fatha on it. Kaf we read in light sound. هل أتاك حديث. Ha we read from the middle of the throat. Ya we long here. Ya is madda. Tha we read in soft sound. Hadithul Ghashiya. Ghain we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and there is alif madda we long. And when we stop on this place, because there is a stop sign, the one is circle and the second is little tha. So when we want to stop, so this ta which looks like in ha shape, this ta we convert into ha, and then there will be ha instead of ta, and which kasra you are looking under this ta, that also will be skipped. So then we put a sukun sign there. It will be Ghashiyah. Ya, right? Like that. So we say هل أتاك حديث الغاشية وجوه يومئذ وجوه يومئذ خاشعة خاشعة. Wujuh, jim we long due to waw madda here. Ha we connect with the ya. After the noon sakin or tanween, if ya comes, we make idgham with gunna. So we long here, and we make gunna sound. Wujuh yaw ma'idhin. After the tanween, the next letter is kha now, which is from throttle letter. If after the noon sakin or tanween, if anyone from the throttle letters come, then we make izhar there. That's why we say here yawma idhin kha, like the clear sound of noon, then kha without gunna. Yawma idhin khashi'a. Kha we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter, and then we long there is alif madda. So this ta which looks like in ha, this becomes ha when we stop, and this double dhamma we skip from here, because whenever double dhamma or double kasra come on this ha shape ta, then we skip both. So and then we put sukun sign as well. So it will be khashi'ah. So we cannot say khashi'at like with the ta sakin, and similarly we cannot say khashi'atu. This is also wrong. So we say now وجوه يومئذ خاشعة عاملة ناصبة عاملة ناصبة. Ain we long due to alif madda amilatun. After the tanween, the next is noon. Like also noon has a shadda sign, so we make gunna. Idgham with gunna. Amilatun nasiba. Noon we long due to alif madda. Swad we read in heavy sound. And when we stop, so this ta we convert into ha, and this double dhamma we skip also. Nasiba. Amilatun nasiba. Tasla. Tasla naran hamiyah. Naran hamiyah. Tasla. This ta we read in light sound, but the swad we read in heavy sound. Tas. Tas. La, lam we long due to standing fatha. Tasla. Naran. Here is alif madda, and after the tanween which is on the ra, the next letter is from the throttle letter which is ha. So we make the clear sound of noon as we make izhar here without gunna. Naran ha. Naran ha. Ha we long due to alif madda, and again we say ha there. And now you can see here also like the ta is coming with double fatha. So when ta comes like which ta in looks like a ha. So when this ta comes with double fatha, double kasra or double dhamma, you will skip both from there. Like double fatha you will skip double kasra, and similarly double dhamma. So right now we cannot say ha miya ta, right? So we will say ha miya, like we will skip both. So we say tasla naran hamiyah. تسقى تسقى من عين آنية من عين آنية. تسقى, on the scene we make whistling sound and hums quality. Qaf we read in heavy sound and we long. تسقى min ainin. After the noon sakin, the next is ain, which is throttle letter. We make izhar. Min, like the clear sound of noon. Min ainin. I, this is yalin, we read soft sound. And also here is after the tanween which is under the noon, the next letter is hamza. We make again izhar here. Min ainin aniya. A we long due to standing fatha. On this ta we make again we skip this double kasra from here. We say aniya. We cannot say wa aniyati or similarly aniyat. Both are wrong. Tusqa min aynin aniya. Tusqa min aynin aniya. تسقى تسقى من عين آنية. ليس لهم طعام إلا من ضريع إلا من ضريع. Laysa, here is yalin, we read soft sound. Laysa, we do not long any letter. Lahum, after the meme there is ta, we make izhar shafawi, the clear sound of meme. Lahum ta'amun, ta we read in heavy sound. After the ain there is alif madda, we long. Ta'amun, after the tanween the next is hamza, again we make izhar. طعام إلا we long due to alif madda here. Alif is coming after fatha. إلا من ضري. After the noon sakin, the next letter is dad, which is from 15 ikhfa letter. So we make ikhfa sound here, the hiding sound of noon now. So we say min ضري. And also dad we read in heavy sound, then we long here. Here is ya madda, and in the end ain is coming with double kasra. So when you want to stop on any place, if you find there double kasra or double dhamma, you have to skip both, right? Like double kasra if come, so we skip double kasra. Like we cannot say dwari'i, we only say dwari'. And on the ain we make tawassut quality, the moderation sound, the soft sound as well. Dwari'. And now we say illa min dwari'. ليس لهم طعام إلا من ضريع. لا يسمن ولا يغني من جوع La yusminu. La we long due to alif madda on the scene we make whistling sound, and also hams quality yusminu. Wala again alif madda is there. Ni on the ghain we read heavy sound, and also we make rakhawa quality ni. Noon we long due to ya madda. In the rakhawa quality we continue our sound ni. We cannot make kalkala here ni. Mostly the people make that mistake. Ni, this is wrong. So only we say ni. Miju. After the noon sakin, the next is ji. We make ikhfa here. We hide the sound of noon. Miju. And ju, there is waw madda, we long, and on the ain we stop. So this double kasra we skip, and then we put sukun sign only. Miju. So we say La yusminu wa la yughni min ju'. Wujuhun yawma'idhin na'imah. Wujuhui. Jim we long due to waw madda here. After the tanween, the next is ya. We make idgham with ghunna. Wujuhui yawma idhin. Yaw, this is waw leen. Yawma idhin. After the tanween, again there is noon. We make idgham with ghunna. Yawma idhin na'ima. Noon we long due to alif madda, and on this ta we stop. So this ta becomes ha, and also we skip double dhamma. Na'ima. And if you want to continue, so then we say na'imatul. So this ta we connect with the lam then. But we stop right now. We say wujuhun yawma idhin na'ima lisa'yiha radiyah. This is lam, so this is not alif, so that's why we say li, because the lam has a shadda sign. This shad sign is for that if you would like to continue with na'ima, so then we say na'imatul. Otherwise we only start from li. Li sa'yiha. On the ain we read soft sound and also tawassut quality. Li sa'. So we cannot say li sa'yiha sa', like the jerking sound on the ain, and similarly we do not long too much. Lisa'yiha, that is also wrong. Only tawassut, moderation sound, like we continue our sound but in middle position. So we say lisa'yiha. Ha we long due to alif madda here. Lisa'yiha. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it, and alif also we read in heavy because alif is coming after the heavy letter. That's why alif is also heavy. Dwad is also heavy due to isti'la letter. Radiyah. Lisa'yiha radiyah. Fi jannatin. Aliyah. Fi, this is ya madda, we long here. On the noon we make gunna. After the tanween, the next is ain. We make izhar here. Jannatin a. We long due to alif madda, and on the star we make stop here. Then we say aliyah. Fi jannatin aliyah. La tasma'u fiha laghiyah. La we long due to alif madda. On the scene we make hums and whistling sound. Tasma'u fiha. There are a ya madda and then alif madda also. Fiha laghiyah. Alif madda is there. Ghain is in heavy sound. Laghiyah. La tasma'u fiha laghiyah. Fiha Aino Jariya. Aino Jariya. Fiha. It is Ya Madda here. Here is Alif Madda. We long on the both places. We long on the both places. Fiha. Ainun. This is Ya Leen. After the Tanween, the next is Jim. So we make Ikhfa sound here. Aino Ja. So Jim we long due to Alif Madda. So and Ra we read in light sound. As we say Aino Jariya. Jariya. Fiha Aino Jariya. And now you can see on the circle sign there is a little meme which is a compulsory stop sign. How we know this is compulsory stop sign? Now you can see to the right side here it is written Waqf-e Lazim. Like Waqf-e Lazim means you must stop here. This is compulsory stop sign, right? So that's why we stop here. As we say Fiha Aino Jariya. Fiha Sururum. So this Ra we connect with the meme which is on the next page. As we say Sururum Marfu'a. Marfu'a. Fiha. This is Ya Madda here on the Ha. This is Alif Madda we long. Fiha Sururum. This Ra we read in heavy sound due to Dhamma on it. And after the Tanween which is on the Ra. So the both Ra we read in heavy sound. On the second Ra this is Tanween. And after the Tanween the next is Meme here. So like you can say also Meme has a Shadda sign. We make Gunna. So we say Sururum Marfu. And here and this Ra we read in heavy sound because the Ra has a Sukun sign on it. And before the Ra there is this Fatha. So this is a rule when Ra comes with Sukun sign and if there is Fatha on the before letter we read Ra in heavy sound. We say Mar. Fu belong due to Waw Madda. Marfu'a. Marfu'a. And now we read the whole. Fiha sururum marfu'a. وأكواب موضوعة وأكواب. On the kaf we make shiddat and hams quality both. وأكواب. After the waw this is alif madda. وأكوا. After the tanween the next is meme. So we make idgham with gunna. وأكواب موضوعة. This is waw leen and the next du. This is waw madda here. And then we stop. We say this ha here. موضوعة. وأكواب موضوعة. And if you would like to continue, so then this ta we connect with the wa. Then also we make idgham with gunna. So we say mawdu'atun wa. But right now we stop. So we say wa akwabun mawdu'a wa namariqu masfufa. Wanama. After the wow this is noon here with fatha and then the meme with fatha also. So with this meme we long due to alif madda. Wanamariqu. Ra we read in light sound due to kasra under it. Qaf we read in heavy sound. Masfufa swad also we read in heavy sound. Fa we long due to waw madda. And when we stop here this ta becomes ha. So we say Wanamariqu masfufa. وزرابي مبثوثة وزراء. we do not long any letter in the first two letters. Waza. We say waza. Ra. Ra we read in heavy sound and also we long. Waza ra. Biyu. Ba we connect with the ya. We merge. Biyu. Waza ra biyu. Mabsusa. On the ba we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Su we long due to waw madda. Mabsusa. And now we say Wazarabiyyu mabsusa. And now we repeat this lesson up to here. So listen carefully and read with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. هل أتاك حديث الغاشية وجوه يومئذ خاشعة عاملة ناصبة تصلى نارا حامية تسقى من عين آنية ليس لهم طعام إلا من ضريع لا يسمن ولا يغني من جوع وجوه يومئذ ناعمة لسعيها راضية في جنة عالية لا تسمع فيها لاغية فيها عين جارية فيها سرر مرفوعة وأكواب موضوعة ونمارق مصفوفة وزرابي مبثوثة. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any kind of question regarding this lesson, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, I will try my best to tell you everything. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Have a nice time. See you inshallah in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.